Hey YouTube, it's your boy Danny, and guess what? I'm back with another one, second unboxing today. So today we have the K&F Concept snap-on filters that are made for the DJI Osmo Action 6. And K&F Concept originally released a set of ND filters for the Action 6 already. However, they were screw-on filters. They had great quality as far as the reviews that I had already saw from a couple of YouTubers, but they were screw-on and they were pretty much a pain in the ass to, be out in the field recording content. You got to unscrew the old one to put a different one on just to get the right exposure. So I guess they kind of released another set, which are these right here. And they come in different sets, so you can get one with like a white glow or a black mist or a CPL. But the one that I got was the 4-pack, the ND8, 16, 32, and 64. I believe this set here is going on Amazon for $39.99. And then, of course, they have a 6-pack. And then I believe you can get like an 8-pack or something like that. So because the original screw-on ones had good reviews as far as the range of the ND was pretty much really accurate, no color shifts or anything like that. So I'm assuming, I haven't seen any YouTubers with these, but I'm assuming based on just them being a reputable brand that these should be just as good. So let's go ahead and get these open. And again, just comes in a pretty simple plastic case with the hang hook on top. And these are them. I don't know if you guys can see them. With my luck, they'd all just fall right out of the pack. But yeah, again, it's an 8, 16, 32, and 64. 64 is pretty much on a bright day. So if you're at the beach or something like that, or even for photography for that matter, not just about sustaining a certain shutter speed to get that natural motion blur like they call it. So again, K&F Concept. I think that, oh, also, by the way, I originally got a variable ND filter made by Telesin that I guess it was kind of, I don't know if it was back ordered, but it was just taking the date kept getting pushed back as far as the arrival date. And then I actually came across a YouTube video where the guy was comparing the K&F Concept to the small rig to the VND made by Telesin and then the Freewell ND filters. And by far out of all of them, the Telesin VND just looked horrible. When you had it locked down on just say one stop, it looked pretty good. But when it got to like 3, 4, and 5 stops, the color shift, it went into like a mint greenish type of, look, and it didn't look good. So I ended up canceling that order and just ordered these. For me, it was between this and the small rig. Seemed like the Freewell was just as good, just kind of came in a nicer case or a more pristine type of glass. But for me, it wasn't worth the extra money. But yeah, K&F Concept. You guys try them out. Check them out. They're on Amazon. And if you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. And see you in the next one. Peace.